In this video, we will explain when to use some and when to use any. Some and any are used to state the quantity or amount of something. When using some or any, the exact number is not stated. Some and any are quantifiers. Some and any can be used when the exact number is not known, the exact number is not important or relevant, or with countable and unaccountable nouns. However, there is a difference. We use some in positive affirmative sentences. Examples: I have some friends. Friends are countable. I'd like some water. Water is uncountable. Use any in interrogative and negative sentences. Examples: have you got any cheese? Cheese is uncountable. Have you got any friends? Friends are countable. He hasn't got any cheese. He hasn't got any friends in Chicago. The exception is when offering or requesting something. Then some is used. Examples: would you like some bread? An offer. Can I have some water, please? A request. The same rules are true for something and anything, someone and anyone, and somewhere and anywhere. You can watch this video at any time.